Hi guys, part three. I'm in part two. I just like mm, mm. You can taste that blueberry sauce inside it. It's not bubblegum sauce. Blueberry. What did you do? Lamb. I'm waiting. Yeah. Right? You see, because then we're gonna go to Gravity. We're gonna wait at Gravity at the table. Gravity closes at 10 at night. Yeah. Um, there's nothing in food. Where's the socks? Where's the socks? Where's the socks? Look! 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 Where's all the socks? Yeah, he's going to change. Are you making up an excuse?